ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Masala Chai Media. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe now. And if you haven't watched the earlier series of spoken Kannada classes, please do visit them first and then come to this video. As we have seen in the last class how the verbs get changed with different tenses along with I and they, in this video I'll be explaining how the verb get changed along with different tenses along with we, like how the verbs get changed with we. We in Kannada will be navu, and as we know do is madu. So let's see how madu will get changed when we use along with we in different tenses. In past tense, madu will become madidvi. So if you observe, we will get added to end of the verb madidvi. And same like that, in present tense, it will be marta idivi. So when we used this marta idivi in present continuous along with I, it was marta idini because I was using it with nanu. So here, as we have navu, so it will be marta idivi. And this will be changed as ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ in future. So if you observe, ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A simple trick to remember is that everything gets ended with we. An example how we can frame the sentences using these three different words that we have learned now. So let's say that how we say we did work, and how do we say we are doing our work and we will do our work. So as we know that it was ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ in the past tense. So how we say work is ಕೆಲಸ in Kannada. So we say ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ is that we did work. Then the same sentence, how do we say in present continuous tense? We are working. So how it becomes is ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, present continuous. And the same one, how it gets changed for future, that is we will work. So how do we say ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So it is as simple as that. It will be ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And if we use it with work or any other thing, we will just say that ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಟ is play again. And same like ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ is present continuous. Same like this, ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And how do we say that? Okay, we will sing tomorrow. ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಹಾಡು is a verb and it ends with ತೀವಿ. Okay, now let's see the example for another verb, that is watch or see will be ನೋಡು in Kannada. So how the ನೋಡು gets changed along with different tenses is that ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ is past tense, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ is present continuous tense, and ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ will be the future one. So let's take an example that we watched cricket. How do we say in Kannada? ನೋಡು will be ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. We, as we all aware, it is ನಾವು. So ನಾವು cricket ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. So we got a sentence. So how it gets changed in present continuous tense is ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So we are watching cricket. That will be ನಾವು cricket ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So for a twist, how can we say it along with I? That is ನಾನು cricket ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So we have to just remember the difference between I and we here. And same that how do we say we will watch cricket? We will watch cricket. So for that ನಾವು cricket ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So it is as simple as that. If you can take any verb and keep changing, as I mentioned, ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ for the past tense, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ for the present continuous, and ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, so that ತೀವಿ, thi will gets added at the end for future. Let's see another example, slight change in the past tense for this one, that is give will be ಕೊಡು in Kannada. And we use it mostly when we go for shop, or when we want to give some classes and all. So we will see how we can frame sentences using the verb give, that is kodu. So kodu will be kotvi. So till now it was vi was getting added. Now it is kotvi, kodta idivi and kodtivi, past, continuous and future. So let's take an example. How do we say that? We gave seminar, or we will give seminar, or we are giving seminar. So it will be ನಾವು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So if you observe here again idini, it gets added, and when we say the same sentence along with we say that ನಾವು class ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So for future it will be ನಾವು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, or ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. And you can use it for anything, like ನಾವು ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಊಟ is meals again in Kannada. So you can just form n number of sentences using this particular formula. I suggest you all to make a tabular column and again write all the verbs that are possible, and then you just write down how the verbs get changed with different tenses and try to make some simple sentences. I hope this helped you a lot, and it reduces the efforts that we take to learn the sentences. I suggest you all to do some homework. I have given you the verbs here. Try to put it in the tabular column I have shown you before and form few simple sentences. And if you find any difficulty, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.